Where you go?
Egg hunting.
You gonna go acorn?
Egg hunting. Kami sugar.
You want this one too?
Wait, let the thingy pop to that basketball.
I'm using two.
Why? Long, my mom in Maluoy match mag-size in fucking sila.
Yours the same.
It doesn't have to be the same. You're older. You're supposed to let him have some fun.
Wait. Where's the Oh no! Picture.
Grandma taking trash singing about it. Grandma taking.
Look how fun this is.
It's bukas lang.
Where you go? Acorn?
Dumdinaka, Ikendenime, Agune Kusi, Sinasa, Akukatara Miri, Manos Rugo Ike,
Maybe over here.
Anameje Dinso, Eluguena Sumoku, Ajamnala Mwamelu. Nkupuro bimbo gene nada ni gwebuzo ndimwana po chinyere ogene nada ndimwana po. Hello, it's me. I'm walking into
Right
peace
here.
that's always been mine. No more noise, no more war, just me and my soft life. I looked in the mirror, I am okay, so I came with fire and gentle air. These scars, these eyes, this calm in my chest tell a story I wear like a royal vest. I fell in love with the way I heal, no mess, just truth, that's power, that's real. I don't perform, I don't compete. I found my peace when my spirit sleeps. Uchemzurike, my mind is at rest. This version of me, I love him best. Shimkulum, Chimyerem, Dumdinaka, Ikemdinime, Agune Kusi, Sinasa, Okukotara Mdiri, Mano Zurugo Ike, Anameje Dinso, Eluiguena Sumoku, Ajamnala Mwamelu. Nkupuro bimbu ogene nada ni gwebuzo ndimwana po chinyere ogene nada ndimwana po. I used to carry the world on my back. Now I choose softness, I'm never going back. I drink peace slow like palm wine at dawn. I wear my rest like a crown I put on. No need to chase, no need to prove. I let my blessings find their groove. I walk like water, I speak like flame. And none of this softness takes from my name. Soft life is calling me. Udo di no be. I answer sweetly. No armor, just ease. This is where I'm meant to be. Now chimnandum, chimdodum, chimyerem, dumdinaka, kendinime, agune kusi, sinasa, apukatara mgiri, mano jurugo ike, anameje dinso, eluiguena sumoku, ajamnala mwamelu. Unkupuro bimbu ogene nada ni gwebuzo ndimwana po chinyere ogene nada ndimwana po chimkulum chimyerem dumdinaka ikemdinime agune kusi sinasa okukotara miri manazurugo ike anameje dinso eluiguena sumoku ajamnala mwamelu. Kupuro bimbu ogene nada ni gwebuzo ndi
Sipalik. No, no, no. That one is, yeah. Don't touch that. It's okay.
I am royalty. No noise, just clarity. No rush, just destiny. Im shorachim yerem. Soft life is calling me. He said, Hidodinobi. He said,
Are you working
I
really hard?
answer sweetly. He said,
Is it hard what you're doing?
my rest is holy. He said, this is where I'm meant to be. Soft and sacred, finally free. He said,
Are you guys working or not?
Working our mouth.
Go work. You have to go work.
Daddy, say go work. Can you work? Say I'm baby. I'm baby. Okay, enough. I'm enough.
That's good, Sipalik. Try the other side. Just that limp that's going up over there. And then this side right here too.